Have you ever pondered how marvelous structures like bridges, dams, or tunnels are built underwater? I mean, come on, isn't it mind-boggling? This isn't your average sandcastle construction at the beach. We're talking about full-blown architectural wonders that stand tall and firm beneath the water's surface. The world of underwater construction is a complex one, teeming with unique challenges and innovative solutions. We'll be exploring this intriguing realm, touching upon key aspects like earthen berms, those hefty mounds of soil that serve as protective barriers. We'll delve into sheet piles, those interlocking steel walls that hold back the water and soil. We'll submerge into underwater foundation systems, the literal backbone of these structures, and we'll navigate through the use of cofferdams, temporary watertight structures that enable a dry work environment beneath the water. So strap on your diving gear and prepare your curious minds, because we're about to dive in and uncover the mysteries of underwater construction. Building underwater isn't as straightforward as piling up bricks. It involves a series of intricate steps. So let's dive right into it. The first step to create an underwater structure is to set up earthen berms. Think of these as the building blocks that provide stability to the structure. Earthen berms are essentially mounds of soil or rock that provide a stable base for the construction. They're carefully placed to ensure that the structure has a solid footing, even in the unpredictable underwater environment. Next comes the installation of sheet piles. These are sections of steel, vinyl, or wood that are driven into the ground to form a continuous barrier. They're essential in preventing soil erosion and water seepage. They're like a protective wall, keeping the structure safe from the surrounding water and soil. Once the sheet piles are in place, we move on to the establishment of underwater foundation systems. This is where the bulk of the structure is created. The foundation system can be made from a variety of materials, including steel, concrete, or even stone. It's designed to bear the load of the entire structure. So you can imagine how crucial it is to get this step right. Following the foundation, cofferdams come into play. These temporary structures are built within the water to create a dry and safe working area. They allow the workers to construct, repair, or maintain the underwater structure without constantly battling the water. Finally, we come to the process of removing water from these structures, a process known as dredging. This involves the removal of sediments and debris from the bottom of the water body. It's a crucial step in ensuring the longevity of the structure, as it prevents any potential damage that might be caused by accumulated sediments. As you can see, each step is a critical piece of the puzzle in creating these underwater marvels. With each phase meticulously planned and executed, engineers and construction experts are able to construct bridges, dams, and other structures underwater, truly a testament to human ingenuity. Now that we understand the process, you might wonder, what materials are apt for constructing these underwater structures? Well, the answer lies in the selection of robust materials that can withstand the aquatic environment. This includes steel, concrete, and particularly a type of lime known as hydraulic lime. This lime is a staple in underwater construction because it hardens with the presence of water, forming a sturdy and water-resistant structure. But how do they build walls in water? The answer is sheet piles. These are sections of steel that are interlocked and driven into the ground to form walls. What about bridges? Underwater bridges are usually built using cofferdams, temporary structures that allow for a dry work environment. Material selection is a crucial aspect. It's all about choosing materials that can resist water pressure, corrosion, and other aquatic challenges. So the next time you cross a bridge or pass through a tunnel, remember the sophisticated engineering and the meticulous craftsmanship that went into its construction. Let's quickly revisit what we've learned today. Our journey began with the mysteries of underwater construction, where we explored the intricate steps involved, from earthen berms to cofferdams. We then dove into the nitty-gritty of material selection, discussing everything from sheet piles to the type of lime used. We answered some burning questions about building walls and bridges underwater. With that, we conclude our deep dive into the fascinating world of underwater construction. Remember, it's more than just building. It's a testament to human ingenuity and resilience.